Today we'll explore the minwidth and maxwidth properties and see how to use them to control the sizes of our elements on web pages. We'll start with an example without minwidth, then we'll add maxwidth, and finally, we'll combine minwidth and maxwidth to see how they work together. First, let's see what an element looks like without minwidth and maxwidth. We have a container class div that is only 50% wide. Notice how the width of this div adjusts based on the size of the browser window. Let's add maxwidth to limit the maximum width of our container. Now our container div will not exceed 500 px even if the viewport is larger. Next, let's see how we can add minwidth to set a minimum width. Now our container will always be between 200 px and 600 px, adjusting to the size of the window. This ensures that our elements remain legible and visually pleasing on all screen sizes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.